I'ma live it up for real, I just can't stand the faking. That shit be crazy. That money keep a nigga eating and I love to taste it. I was swerving in the coupe, the coppers think I'm wasted. I hit the gas, I do the dash, they gonna have to chase me. If they catch me, I'm like fuck it, I'ma have to pay it. Don't expect me to just give up on what I created. I'm the realest nigga in it, that ain't no debating. Talking like you this and that, bitch we know you basic. Shoot some hoes all in his face, now he look like Jason. Always take the E-way, make sure you take it easy. No need for the speeding, them packs already reeking. I ain't doing no pleading, no my lawyer gonna beat it.
King Booda, man. I just hit the weed, I ain't brushed my teeth yet. How the fuck you broke, always talking about some street shit? We be at your mama job, I show you about this beef shit. Savvy nigga, eat till I'm full and it can just be one bite. I don't want no wife, I only want that bitch for one night. Smoking cherry pie and some off-white. 40 got a big light, just in case I have a dark night. Better talk right, left a hole in him like a shark bite. Don't wanna punch, this ain't fight night. Funny nigga Kevin Hart type, need a big dookie when I'm finna write. Boy, I'm that nigga at your crib when you at work. Little nigga, don't get your feelings hurt, cause pussy, I'm a jerk. Throw that money up and I'ma watch lil' baby twerk. Bustin' off that thing on insane, I need another yerk. It ain't no debating, the money I be making, bad bitches I be dating, that's why these niggas hating.